Hello, good morning. My name is Juan Camilo, and today I'm going to talk about database collection in agriculture. Obtainment is a very important topic because it's the raw material of any type of data project. So we are in the phase of a challenge, which is to collect data. In the area of agriculture, we're interested in several topics, among them climate. So in this presentation, we are going to focus on the database. That's a historical database from 1970 to 2000 with a different layer of variables. From 1 square kilometer to 348 square kilometers. These are images that have been taken, and it takes the different variables: maximum, minimum, and average temperature, precipitation, solar radiation, wind speed, and water vapor pressure. And among these other variables, there are other variables that are called bioclimatic variables that come as a result from the ones that I mentioned before. We should highlight two of them, which would be the yearly temperature or annual temperature and the annual precipitation. These are going to be downloaded by using R. So let's go to our console in order to see how they are downloaded. So this is the console. The first thing that we're going to do is to create a script, and we are going to save it, save as, and we save it in the folder that I'm working in. In my case, I'm going to save it in World Clim. Remember to use your name always in any script you do, and then the creation date. For this script, we're going to use two libraries. The first one is called raster, and the second one is called SP. So here we have both libraries. If they are not installed, you can go to the install package and you can install both libraries. After that, you can use a function that will help us to extract the data. While I write the function, I would like to mention that this is one of the ways to do it. It's not the only way. There are several different ways to do this process. So I'd like to talk about this specific way to do it, which I think that's very useful and simple. So we write get data. Remember that whenever I want to get more information about a function, I write get data. In the right part, you'll be able to see all the data. So we see world clim, we have a variable with temperature, precipitation, and location. In this case, we're going to put var bio and resolution 10. Then I choose the ones that I want would be 112, and we'll assign a name to these columns that we selected. Then we're going to locate the points of interest. I chose 2 points, latitude, longitude. And we're going to transform them into a data frame. And after that, we're going to choose special points, which is a special location in these points. and then we'll extract them and turn them into data frame. So let's extract them and see how they look like. So we have both points, we have precipitation and temperature. And remember that this data comes from 1970 to 2000. So the important thing here is that we have to divide this by 10. So it'll be equal to 18.9 and 25.7. And precipitation will be 1,247 milliliters. Now to create the graph, we're going to use a plot. And let's see where the points are located. So in the map, you'll be able to see the points in Central America and Africa. And we also have the color codes that shows us the temperature in these 2 points. So that was all. This was a way to download WorldClim with R. Thank you.